Alright, we are going to put this little snap ring off of this dust cover hinge pin onto here. So usually this whole part, it comes with this little piece attached, and it's installed when it's just a blank upper receiver. It has nothing on it. Literally the first thing you do is you stick your dust cover in there, you wind it to spring, stick it on there, and then you just put your pin through, and it's held in place by whatever handguard system you use, whether it be a rail or just standard handguards or what have you. So we have to get this little snap ring off of the dust cover hinge pin. This little fucker will go flying, so I mean, there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to stick a piece of tape behind it and just kind of force it off. So we'll see how well this works. Hopefully we don't lose it. Usually you can buy these separately. See? Stuck to the tape. So it did not fly off into oblivion. So, in order to get this tiny little thing on here while it's installed in the gun, I'm going to place it as best as I can. So there's a little groove on here that it sits in. See the little groove? Let's see if it will focus. There we go. Still not really focused. But that little groove right there. Little groove on there, you can't really see it too well. But this little tiny snap ring is going to be put right there. So I'm just going to take my little pliers here and I'm going to gently set that on top of the groove. If I can get it on there. This little guy's kind of magnetic. There, now it's sitting right on the groove. Now I'm going to make sure that it's nice and level. I'm going to take a solid piece of metal. You guys will probably be using a screwdriver. You're going to place it directly over this and make sure you have like one go at this because it's literally going to fly off if you mess up. And you're going to apply a bunch of pressure and you should hear an audible click. And then it's installed. So pretend this is in the gun. I remember how we originally would do this if it, you know, this comes with the damn thing installed, you know, but this isn't on the barrel, whatnot. But to get the E-clip on here while it's installed in the gun, you know, you're just going to gently place it on there. You can use your fingers. I use these. But you want it to be like facing straight up and down. Pretend that's it. It's just going to be resting kind of like that. Then I have this nice solid piece of metal, you know, something nice and square, something perfectly flat. And you're just going to set it on there and apply lots of pressure. Don't let it slip because it's going to just take off and you'll never find it.